Alright folks, quick tutorial here, how to get the snow off your car. First little trick we do here is we put our windshield wipers up so they're not frozen to the windshield. Oh, my wife left me a love note. So here's how I clean my windows off. First thing you want to do is clean off this top rail if you can. Oh, that's cold. My door's probably gonna be frozen shut. Ooh, not today. Then turn on your car. You turn your defroster to defrost. Turn it on high. And the way we do it is I go back in the house and I wait. There you go. So here we are. It's been about 15 minutes. Put the windshield wipers up. Got the heat going. Let's see if we got it. Oh, look at that. No scraping. Never scrape your windshield. This is how you clean your windshield. All these people out here scraping and scraping. And there you go. That's a little tip for me. Y'all have a great day. Stay warm.